Well, I went and broke my Harley. The goal on this was to install a new camshaft. I was putting in the S&S 465 and I went to remove the inner cam bearing, and the tool I had, something went wrong with it and ended up slipping into the inside of the bearing and destroyed the rollers while I was cranking on it to pull it out. So all the rollers fell into the case. So now I've got to split the case on the bike. Not what I was expecting to do, but now I ended up pulling the cylinders. Piston's got to come off. Gonna end up having to pull everything apart. I've got it to the point where I'm kind of comfortable doing it right now. I'm gonna have my local shop take over with splitting the case and getting the pieces out. But the goal now has changed. Since I pulled the cylinders off, I actually found some scoring inside the cylinders, and I can show you some of it. It's a little bit tough to see probably on camera, but there's some there that's pretty light, and there's some on the other side. The other cylinder has got some deeper scratches in it, and I can catch my nail on all of these. So, new cylinder is going to be going in this. I figured if I'm already doing all this work, might as well go bigger. So I'm going to be putting 124s in this thing now. I'm going to be doing the 465 cam still. It's going to be a low compression build, so I can still keep the stock heads, stock throttle body, that kind of stuff. But I should be putting out quite a bit more horsepower with the new cylinders and the new cam. So I'll have to let you guys know how it is, but hopefully I'll be back on the road again before this season's over. We don't have a ton of riding left in the season, but I'm hoping to be back up and running in a few weeks. See what the local shop can do to help me out. But I'll keep you guys posted on what's happening with the build. Definitely do a video with you after. I've got a whole table worth of stuff that's going to be going out to the shop. They're going to be taking all of this. I have more coming in the mail too. I've got the cylinders coming now. I've got those on order. New head pipe, and I'm getting most of my stuff from Fuel Moto. So that's where I've gotten most of the stuff for now. S&S is most of the parts going in here. So I'll keep you guys posted, but hopefully she'll live again soon.